Rest 30 minutes later than usual on days you need to be super productive. Stunt yourself into being on time. Continuously behind schedule? Plan significant occasions as beginning 10 to 15 minutes sooner than their genuine beginning opportunity to guarantee you don't make a late entry, and stick to it. Mechanize your bills, savings, and investments. Rather than investing energy agonizing over when your bills are expected, the amount you ought to save every month, and how your speculations are doing, exploit what innovation brings to the table for set-up programmed moves, charge installments, and venture activities. Restrict yourself to one habit change at a time, 1 month at a time. Record a smart voicemail message. Take care of your toughest responsibilities between 2 and 3 p.m. Assign optional events on your calendar. Pick 3 wardrobe colors and stick with them. Bring back flashcards, except make them digital this time.